Holy, okay, we're back. Okay, so we do have a confirmation to the SMT divergence, right? We do have a confirmation to the SMT divergence. We have a daily SMT divergence as well as a weekly SMT divergence. So we're looking for that hourly confirmation to the daily SMT divergence, which we have right over here. We had a body of an order block SMT divergence. That's all right, yeah, I'm just waiting on a bit. Just waiting on that bit. All right, chat. We're just waiting for this Marwan confirmation here, but I need the high to go above this high and go lower because this divergence is happening between this SMT divergence has happened outside the time window, which is between 6 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. I'm looking for that high to get repurged. That eventually make a new SMT divergence with the high with the 1 a.m. candle. Hey, what's up, my boy? What's good, my boy? Man up, Parmar. What's good? What's good? What's good? Oh, we have Monday no news, Tuesday no news, Wednesday we have core retail sales. So Wednesday we got 8:30 a.m. news. Thursday, and that's Wednesday. I mean Thursday we have 8:15, 8:30, and 8:45. I didn't know. Yo, what's good? What's good? You bearish on EU? Yes. As of right now, it looks like to be bearish because of the SMT divergence that we have. We have an SMT here, right? But SMT with these sides, right? We have like two consecutive SMT. But the only way I'm looking to take it straight to the downside is if we make a new high with this SMT divergence, right? Yo, what's good, bro? What's good, my boy Trey? What's good? What's good? What's good? What are we looking for today? I'm looking for bearish. It may not be like this, but it may not be bearish tomorrow, but today, right now, as of right now, it looks like to be bearish because of the S&P divergence, right? But let's see what the market gives us here, though. Because market did need to go soup out this, market did need to go and hit the 6 month CRT high here before going lower, but market could definitely go lower first before going up higher, right? You know what I'm saying? Going through its own phases before going to its own liquidity here. I'm waiting for 9 a.m. candle. Bet that, man. I'm waiting for this SMT divergence trade confluence. Yeah, my goal is all the way down here to this CRT low as my first take profit. Yeah, I'm not gonna call this as my take profit because, as you guys know, we're using either an hourly range or 4 hour range as a CRT to go for stuff. Or no, this is our 4 hour range. This is gonna be our first take profit and not this because what I'm saying we're over in this range over here overall, and we use this as execution. Right, so take profit one, take profit two, the daily CRT low, take profit three is gonna be the weekly CRT low. This low could be our take profit two, but since the 884, 8814, and these two are kind of near, we could just go to the weekly CRT low as our final take profit. And we're selling in premium, which is great. You do not want to buy in discount. You do not want to sell in a. You do not want to sell in a discount, buy in the premium, right? You want to sell in premium, sell buy in discount. So let's see. Market stood at a low, stood at a high, stable low. Market isn't into external. Yes, but SMT could prevent that from happening, right? Keep that in mind. SMT prevents soups, so bro, you know what? Over time, I realized that SMT between EU, DXY works better than GU. Yes, bro, it was way better, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. So what's up with GU here? Yeah, it looks way better, but the thing is, if there's SMT, there's a SMT there, right? You can't deny it. That's why I said today, tomorrow I may look for a whole different bias, but today it looks to be bearish. And yeah, you're right, man, because DXY and GU, DXY and EU move way more similar than GU, right? GU, like, it stagnates a lot. I'm saying, so you're definitely correct on that. But there will be times where it's gonna be SMT with GU and not DXY, and market's still gonna respect the SMT divergence, right? Two big days today can be consolidation. Yeah, you're right, man. I do not want to take a trade today. I want to let today play out, man. Thank God there's no setups here for me. So if there's a setup, I have to execute fearlessly with unwavering discipline, flawless position, accept risk and loss for the process. This right here could definitely cause a near continuation here, right? Keep that in mind, chat. It could cause a near continuation to the upside to the drawn liquidity, which is over here. But there's S&T currently here. Let's see how the S&T performs. was said, will the 4 hour sweep hold? I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward. I am looking forward. Oh shoot! I am looking forward to it holding, but the timing of the other SMT is wrong. So I'm looking to get that repurchase of this 5 a.m. high and still respect this soup because we have another SMT divergence. Respect that soup, eventually then go lower without souping out this high. So respecting this soup right over here. Their SMTD with DXY, I'm expecting price to come down to on EU and sweep 1.3531, 1.3531 right over here. Oh, okay. This is the GU. Shit, I forgot how to do this. So this goes down, then this goes up. So 1 a.m., 5 a.m. There's an SMT divergence with the 1 to 5 a.m. candle, right? So you see how we have more SMT divergence here. So in this case, the 1 a.m. high, the 1 a.m. candle, or CRT, 1 a.m. CRT, 5 a.m. at SMT with GU. GU is the one that's super out. What are you waiting for? I'm looking for this high to get souped one more time, man. But this shit is not getting souped. This SMT diversion right over here happened at 5 a.m., right? I need an SMT that happens between 6 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. But this is good though. Now we're gonna have to let this price action play till tomorrow. EF session, right? We also want to sell above the opening price of the weekly candle. So that can give us a good confirmation to speak this CRT right over here. Let's see what's good here. Let's see what's good here. This could cause a new continuation to the upside here. But let's see, because the LCT look got souped, and I'm still respecting this other CRT here. And keep in mind, it's not that we just have SMT. It's not just SMT that we have as a confirmation to the downside. We have a daily ERL to IRL, daily SMT CRT to the downside, as well as we have as well the weekly ERL to IRL here, right? Not just SMT divergence here. Keep in mind, chat. Oh yeah. Let's see if we're gonna get that entry here or not. Oh my goodness. Let's see, chat. Let's see what's good over here. Damn, market almost pushed out the high, but it went straight back down, bro. What's wrong with you, gang? All right, market want a person down. What's such a trade? That's kind of gay. Don't you think so? If you purchase the CRT low, I cannot take the trade, chat. If you purchase the CRT low, I cannot take the trade. Don't do it right now. Purchase the high first. Make a new high. Then go lower, better. Brother, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? For SMT, this 4 CRT low must not get purged. If it gets purged, we're done for the day because our draw liquidity is gonna get met overall. Because that's gonna be our first strong liquidity, but we're not going to use it as a take profit, but as a drawn liquidity. So that if that gets met, we're done, brother. It's Monday, so we want to let the market play a little bit. Because today, if this SMT divergence holds today, it's definitely gonna hold tomorrow. Then eventually we're gonna have a stronger bias tomorrow, right? Today, SMT. So you cannot project this low, chat. Why does not why do we not why if you project this low, why can we not take any trades? Because our drone look like gonna get met. Because we're using this 1 a.m. candle as a entry to this, straight to the downside. So if using the 1 a.m. candle as the CRT, that 1 a.m. candle low is gonna be our drone located as well. But will we use that as a take profit? No. Because we're trading in a bigger range, but the drone look at that should not get met. What with cloths look like some race suit? It is. I got the hoodie of it as well. Hold on 1 second. I already dude. If it should be a swab be like if it should be like this. Holy shit, it's kinda look like clap. It's kinda like clap, I ain't gonna lie. But it's supposed to be like this. But I don't wear this with I usually wear this without the hoodie, but people say you gotta wear a hoodie with it. Like type shit. But yeah, if it's really gets match chat, we're done for the day. Yo, bro, what's up? What's good, my boy Yogi? Roller press. 1 second. Let me take the code out. This code is. I don't want to put that in our chat. 1 second, chat. 1 sec. Roller press. I got you, right? Damn, brother. Quick. Ugh. Oh yeah, that feels good. But chat SMT holder, you can see chat even with the GU SMT, it still holds. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what period you give the SMT. As long as there's SMT, there's SMT, brother. All that matters. You know what I'm saying, chat? Although this SMT couldn't take any, we couldn't profit out of this because of the timing of the SMT, but regardless, still work, right? But yeah, when everyone hears this, we're done for the day, chat. This is our drawn liquidity. But this is our drawn liquidity, which we need to have an entry beforehand. But we're not gonna take it as a take profit. Take profit gonna be this because we're in this 4-hour range. But it is gonna be a drawn liquidity, so. And keep in mind, chat, we do have this 4-hour confirmation to this other weekly CRT. But we're wondering, well, Taki, what is well the CRT inner circuit trader? Why do you have this number 1 here? This number 1 is confirmed to the weekly CRT, our weekly previous week CRT high right over here. We do have a confirmation to it. We do have a confirmation of the weekly CRT, which is this 4-hour number 1 to the downside right over here, right? Right when he got purged, this is the last candle, boom, number 1. So if we do see sign of respect, we're gonna go down there, yeah. Y'all know it, y'all know it. Y'all know it. Chat, we're just waiting, bro. Waiting, bro. I gotta look at something real quick. Yikes, bro. Let's see what's up with this chat. I'm just waiting for either a pull back up, make a new high, or just for the draw looking to get mad. But let's see here. Yo, what's good? Almost said 20 RR, one trade. Bro, if we do get a setup here, bro, it's probably gonna be a 20 RR here. Probably gonna be a 20 R. It, it was probably like not be 20 RR, like around like 15 RR, something like that. Shorting will look good after we get a S either if this SMT holds or we get a soup of the high, get a confirmation. There's gonna be a big RR in that bit. 5 everyone wants to go about Chris G. Was good, was good, was good. You guys know, chat. We will hold that 20 RR, man, to the max. We do have an hourly confirmation to the CRT of the daily. We do have an hourly confirmation to the daily CRT as well. A confirmation to the hourly SMT divergence as well. To the daily SMT divergence as well. So you have a confirmation here, chat. I'm just waiting to see what's good. Chat, we're just waiting here. Damn, bro. And Ron, look where they just got met. And we can't do nothing about it. And we're done for the day, chat. This is it. This is the good thing. There's a good thing though. There's a good thing. There's a good thing. The reason it's a good thing is tomorrow we can have we can have a confirmed SMT, right? Today's a pre-confirmation, right? to be predetermining a SMT divergence. What do you think about gold? I don't trade gold right now, so I don't know. So, but chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. The market recap will be today, later today. I want to see how the market performs today, all right? I want to see how the market moves. But why are we done for the day? It's because we're using this CRT to enter the trade to the downside. So the CRT low is going to be one withdrawal liquidity. Although we're not going to go for it either take profit, but it will be a drawn liquidity. So what's it meant? If we don't have we do not have a drawn, if we do not have an entry beforehand and drawing gets met, we're done for the day because that causes a potential reverse to the upside, right? So I want to be risked off, right? So yeah, we definitely had an entry, but the entry happened right over here because he chat. The entry happened outside the outside the time window, which is between what I'm saying, outside of the 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. The SMT divergence the SMT happened around 5:15, and we needed to happen around 6 a.m. 10:30, and 6 a.m. onwards went out to super the high, but it failed to do that, so it eventually went down lower, right? So you can see how the market is constantly pushing down here. Nothing is random here, right? So those who took a long here got wrecked, and yeah, and we're done for the day. I'll come back tomorrow. I want to see how today performs here. Today I want to low key want to see a push down all down here, low key, find kind of. But yeah, we're done for the day. I'll see you guys later. I want to see. I'm gonna come back to the market later today. I want to see how the market goes and do a market recap, right? So yeah, I want to see how the market performs right now. But we're done for the day simply because our drawing got met, right? So yeah, see you guys later. Peace out. Can I have a guidance? Yes, sir. You can watch my ETU free mastermind CRT bootcamp. I have a whole bootcamp on how to actually trade, right? So I'm gonna share the bootcamp to you right now, actually. Here's the bootcamp. That's your guidance, and I'll see you guys later. Wait, later. Peace out, my fellow Nigerian black